Hello.
Hello.
It's April 24th, 2020.
This is a time capsule.
It's a record of who we are right now.
It is a record of time when the coronavirus came.
When all the schools shut down.
And everyone was told to stay inside.
We are a group of teenagers sitting in our bedrooms,
Our kitchens,
Our front porches.
our bathrooms,
In our living room.
Stuck in our homes in a place called New Jersey.
In the United States of America.
In the Western Hemisphere.
In the world.
for the past 6 weeks.
And for the next few weeks?
Or months.
No one knows how long, really.
we're not going anywhere.
So we're going to record ourselves.
Every week.
So that we'll remember what it was like,
What we did.
What we didn't do.
And how we felt.
because this has never happened before.
It might never happen again.
This is our coronavirus time capsule.
And it starts
Now!